back to Legos with Buddy. Today I'm going to be opening 2 Lego Ninjago characters. One is the Golden Lloyd Ninja, and the other is the Overlord. So here's the Golden Ninja's outfit. Gonna put on his little thing. What it looks like with his thing on. And then here's his face. And here's his ninja mask thing. Then he has 2 swords. There. That is the Golden Ninja. Next up we have the Overlord. Let me get everything out. Okay. So, this is what he looks like. Grab his pants. This is what his like ghosty body looks like. Then if you add the torso, this is what he looks like. Then if you add his forearms, this is what he looks like. And then if you add his head and his samurai hat and his little samurai armor hat thingy that shows, this is what it looks like. And then if you add his little sword, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.